I'm your host, and today we're going to be working at the tool table to teach you all kinds of new tools. We're going to be going through your basic, intermediate, and expert tool class. I've got a playlist for each, so you can fit right into your level. Now let's get started and see what's going on. Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm going to do another basic tool class today, and this one is going to be on Allen's, Allen keys, or what you guys call hexes. All basically the same thing. So this is a basic tool, but it comes in a bunch of different categories. So let's get down to what an Allen actually is. So I'll just show you one. This has 6 flat points on it, like a stop sign. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it is the opposite of what a bolt would look like when you put the socket down on the six-sided bolt. This kind of looks like a bolt sticking out, and you would put a wrench on there or a socket. This is called an Allen. This is your normal, typical Allen here. These are used to be called Allen keys, but now they're just called Allen wrenches, or you call them hex wrenches or Allens. These ones happen to be a metric set, so they go by whole numbers, maybe like 3.5 or 8 or 12. The standard ones come with another set. They're all fractions, so that would be your standard set. Metric is usually for overseas, and standard is usually only for American. So you would either put this down in, like where the bolt is. So let's say that the anything, this key pointer is the bolt, and then I put the Allen key down in it instead of putting the wrench around it or the socket on it, and I twist it backwards, to take it off. So I put this side in. Or if I need a little more torque, I could put this side in, and I have this whole piece to push against now, So this is normally what you're going to find are these Allen keys. Then you can find Allens on sockets. So it's still in 6-point. It's still an Allen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one just happens to be 7 millimeter. And it goes in a 3/8 drive. Now, if you look, what do I need to start working on cars basic toolkit? I talk about sockets and the drive ratchets. This will go on a drive ratchet, but they come in all different sizes. It's just a very small kit that I have. I have larger ones, but I'm just going to show you guys the difference. So you have the Allen key, you have the Allen sockets. A lot of people have seen these. So these are screwdrivers, and they have these different tips. This is like a hex head, regular screwdriver, or Phillips. But you can put your Allen, your 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in there, and now you can use it like a screwdriver. And they come on, some of them come on these little kits. You see there's a bunch of different ones. I just picked the biggest one so you could see it, to put the tip right in, and there it is. So this is a screwdriver with tips, Allen. Now this is called a long shank Allen because the shank is so long here. This happens to be a 5 millimeter, but there it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see it, right? A hex. This one is like the screwdriver, but you see it's extra long. And the screwdriver one, only the tips come out and the tips go in. But this one, the whole shank comes out, and you put a different shank inside. Now the reason that they do this is that there's a ball tip on this side and there's a flat side on this side, and I'm gonna show you how to use that as well. But if you don't want to use this as a screwdriver like this, and you need to get a little more grip on it, this one turns into what's called a T-handle. So now you have a long shank and you can grab it with your hand. See the way it's formed? You can grab it with your hand and put a lot of twist on this. T-handle. T-handles also come in different pieces. They have torque ends and regular screwdriver T-handles, flat head T-handles. T-handles are very nice, but only if you're doing body work or small engines or motorcycles, quads, that kind of stuff. You don't use this a lot on cars. And then this one is a special ratcheting T-handle. So you see, go on when you switch it to go off, or you put them both in the middle and it locks, and then you can just get a better grip on it. So this is the ball head. See how it's got a ball in it? It's kind of like rounded off on the ends and stuff. So it's still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But sometimes they're really hard to get into. Like you're trying to get in there and it's just not facing the right way, and you can't get the driver, the Allen where you want it. Well, this, you can get it in sideways with the ball head and still turn it because it makes connections on the side here on an angle. You can't put a lot of torque on these though. You'll snap this ball head off. I've snapped quite a few off doing stuff I shouldn't have, stuff that was too big. This comes with my motorcycle set, my Cornwell. I'll show it to you real quick. This will do just about every job if you just take your time, get it to set on there straight, and do the right thing. I'm telling you, almost every time I use this, and that's it. So these are all the Allens. Welcome to the Allen family. This is a basic. You'll find a lot of these in your basic toolkits, and maybe some of these. You'll definitely find this screwdriver with tips, but you can buy these if it doesn't come with yours, and to just put them in. So these are your basic ones, and then if you get a little more money or you're doing bigger jobs or whatever, I would go for the sockets, you know. I would leave the T-handle stuff alone unless you're working on small stuff, motorcycles and stuff. So thanks for coming to another basic tool class. My name's Damien. I just like educating people. Can I get a thumbs up, subscribe, like, notifications? I'm putting out so many videos. I missed the last 3 days. I'm sorry I only put one video out in the last 4 days. I had the stomach virus and I'm still just getting over it now. That's why I wanted to do a quick tool video just so I could put something out for you guys. I had to do this one anyway, so I figure I don't have to go outside and move around too much to do this. I just grabbed these couple of things and you can see how it is. So subscribe to see all the tool videos that are going to come out. We love you all. God bless. Thank you so much for stopping by.